Hi everyone, it's Lavinia and welcome. In today's video, I just wanted to show you a watercolor page that I made yesterday. Was using some of the Master's Touch watercolor, just wet the paper and added watercolor. I like the blooms that occur. And I just shifted the page around just to get this watercolor blend. And this is a watercolor sketchbook, also from Hobby Lobby. Started it this year. And I was watching Melissa Davis's channel by Mimi with Love. I will link her channel in the description box, where she was using some Zentangles over watercolor. And I had commented that I didn't think I had done that before and I wanted to try it. And so when I pulled out this watercolor sketchbook, I actually realized that I had done something similar. For example, here's some squares and other shapes in watercolor, and then I used gel pens on top. So here, for example, it's tipple, printemps, henna drum, and then just some others. Here I had drawn circles. I was using some new Jelly Roll pens that I had gotten on clearance from Hobby Lobby. So again, just some watercolor as well as some Zentangles in there. This is just an abstract watercolor, and I was using some acrylic metallic markers that I had just gotten. So these are back from April of this year. Here are some koi watercolors with gel pens. So some Zentangles on here. Here's that henna drum. And I think the rest are just, these aren't necessarily Zentangles. I think I was just trying out just some different flower shapes. And so I thought with this page, I would actually draw on here Zentangles. So that will be coming up later today. So I just wanted to post this just to give you a heads up. If you wanted to try that out, just get out your watercolors, your watercolor sketchbook. I'm going to try on here drawing some Zentangles that I'll do as a tutorial if you want to follow along. Several different ones like Muka, fescue and printemps, and some other ones that I like to use in my journal. Let me see if I have my journal out here. So where I like to add, not necessarily in a string, but I do like to add, just make my own little scenes. For example, here's some Muka, as well as some, not necessarily all Zentangles, but I thought I would do something similar here that kind of scape onto this watercolor page. So definitely going to show you Muka and fescue, as well as some other combinations. So stay tuned for that. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I will see you soon. Bye.